Welcome to Crypto Tech Videos. Every day we are reviewing Bitcoin price in multiple time frames and in multiple trading systems and making an educated price prediction for the Bitcoin price movement for next day after analyzing the global market data and Bitcoin options open interest data. Let us begin the video for today. The first is 1 hourly chart, second is 4 hourly and third is a daily chart. From 1 hourly and 4 hourly we can clearly see 50 period moving average is trading below 200 period moving average. Yep. And from the 1 day chart, it took up support from this particular support line. And it's now trying to consolidate a bit before making any further next move. From the Camarilla pivot point of view, it was trading around this level day before yesterday when we were recording the video, and from the R3 level it took resistance along with the global markets. It went down and it recovered a bit. Yesterday when we were recording the video, it was recovering a bit. Now it has progressed a bit, because it took a good support at the trend line level. It's able to bounce back along with the global markets. Now it's trading around this S1 and R1 level. So this signifies a sideways movement for the Bitcoin price for now. And if we could see the Fibonacci series EMA ribbon, so we can clearly see that the prices are attempting to go higher, but it's yet to cross the 50 period moving average. Last time it took a resistance around 89 period moving average. So it has to crack all these, it has to cross all these EMAs and make a consolidation after crossing the 233 EMA this should hold this 233 EMA comfortably for any kind of a meaningful upside rally. So if we could see the Fibonacci retracement point of view, so it took a support around the 38.2 retracement level yesterday, and now there was a resistance around 50% retracement level, because last time 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 times this particular line offered a support. This support, since this support is broken a couple of times, now this becomes a resistance. So this particular candle took a resistance from here and made a little bit of a selling pressure, but since the global markets are trading in a decent manner, so this is also recovering a bit. But the good thing is this has taken out this particular 50% retracement level now. Now the trading range is shifted little above this 39,320 level. So we can expect the Bitcoin to revolve around the same level even for tomorrow as well. We can clearly see from that point from the options open interest data. If we could see the previous swing lower high anchored VWAPs, this is anchored VWAP for a swing low, and this is anchored VWAP for the swing high. So if we could see, as we have been reviewing in the last few sessions, Bitcoin has to take out both these VWAPs for any meaningful upside. If at least it has to first cross this particular VWAP, because last time it took a strong resistance around this particular VWAP. So now clearing this particular VWAP will be a next big hurdle for the Bitcoin. And if we could see a simple 4 hourly support and trend line point of view, we can clearly see it took a support around this particular trend line, and this support band is offering it was a resistance for yesterday, so it took a little bit of resistance here, but it's able to surpass through that particular resistance, but it's at the moment consolidating around here. So it has to hold this particular support band after crossing this, and only after it can sustain about this particular trend line, it will be able to prepare for a rally. If we could see the daily chart, obviously it is very evident that it is able to take this particular support, and this support is still holding for the second day in a row. So if it is one time, if it is just one candle, and if this is a red candle, we can suspect that this support may not hold, it may even break down. But see, the second day also it's able to hold this particular level, and today's price action is little above this yesterday's price action, yesterday's high. So that means that this is having a little bit of strength, and there is a chance that this is a temporary low for this month series. I mean, every month last Friday will be the monthly expiry, futures and options expiry. So for this series, April series, this may be this may be a low for this particular April series futures and options for Bitcoin. So if you could see the weekly chart, so we could see the fifth consecutive candle is trying to be a negative candle, but there is a slight positivity in this particular candle because it's trying to hold this particular support line. So let's see whether this particular a slight positivity can continue as such. So if you could see the global markets. So this is the global market of this is US 30, this is S&P 500, this is Nasdaq 100. US 30 and S&P 500 looking a little bit of positive. Looks like it is trying to hold the previous day slight positive sentiment. So the same happening with the US 500 as well, but Nasdaq doesn't look encouraging at all. So you see the case, actually this was a Morubosu candle that we reviewed yesterday. So right from the day's opening till day's closing, it was keep getting sold off. But even the yesterday's candle also is a inverted hammer, and this doesn't look like a bullish case at all. So we need to see if Nasdaq is also able to cheerful can become cheerful based on this small positivity. That will be good for Bitcoin as well. If we could see the Bitcoin options open interest data for 29th April, so this is the weekly expiry. So 29th April is Friday is usually the weekly expiry, and this data, if we see, what we are seeing is that the 40,000 will be the first level of resistance, and 38,000 will be strong support, and 39,000 is the price around which Bitcoin may trade as a pendulum. So Bitcoin may go a little above here, go down a little below here, but it may eventually revolve around 39,000 for 29th April. That's what this particular options open interest data suggests. And that's all for the video today. Hopefully you enjoyed. Thanks all for watching. See you all in the next video.